So this is the image I'm going to use. So the first thing I need to do is to duplicate this layer. So right click, duplicate layer, so that we can see the before and after. Now I'm going to hide the top one. Let's select the bottom one. So in order to remove this person here from the layer or image, there are many ways. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use the patch tool, left click. So in order for the patch tool to work, you need to make a selection here around the person you want to remove. Make sure to check source. And here the replace mode here is checked. And now we need to make selection. You can either draw the selection using the patch tool or use any selection tool, for example, rectangle, ellipse, or polygon. So now I'm going to draw my selection around the person. So here it is. And now I just need to left click and then drag the inside here of the selection on this layer here to replace my selection here. So for example, as you can see, it will move the left part here or right part of the window or top part or upper part. So now I just need to adjust it like this. And this is going to blend the selection. So I'm going to select this part here. So here it is. And now let's go to select, deselect. And now let's see the before and after. So now I'm going to do the same thing with this one here. So let's select the patch tool. I'm going to draw a selection around this one here, around this area. And now I'm going to move it up to replace it with the upper part. So here it is. And now let's go to select, deselect. And now left click, you can still use the spot healing brush tool. So I'm going to increase a little bit size. And now, for example, I will paint over it and then it will heal it. So it will fix it. So here it is. So now let's see the before and after. So this is the before and this is the after.